Hello everyone, welcome and thank you for joining my channel. In this video, I want to show you guys this Vitamix A3500 series. Its touch interface has 5 program settings, programmable timer, has variable speed control with pulse. Here on the side, here we have is the power switch. We will turn this on. There are 5 program settings. One for smoothies. This one's for frozen dessert. This one's for hot soup. Dip and spread. And lastly, the self-cleaning option. Not only that, there are manual settings. You can turn it on and off. There's a jog button. There's a timer. It goes up to 6 minutes and 30 seconds. And has a maximum speed level of 10. You can hold the jog button and change the speed at the same time. I love this Vitamix. This cover right here is removable and washable. It's also dishwasher safe. This jug here is also dishwasher safe. If you ever need to use a push stick, the option is available. Very handy. Now in this demo here, I am going to make myself a fruit smoothie. I have a cup and a half of water, 2 cups of strawberry, and about a cup of mango. I'll show you how easy it is to make a smoothie. Now I will select the smoothie option and press start, and then I can walk away. Not sure if you can see it, but it's actually really smooth and fine. And it also tastes smooth.